In this video, we'll go step by step on how to set your bike up on a trainer. For this example, we'll be using the Wahoo KICKR. First, shift the gears to the smallest cog on the cassette, then remove the rear through axle. For Shimano, be sure that the clutch is turned off when pulling on the rear derailleur. Next, line up the chain with the smallest cog on the trainer and thread your through axle back in. It's a good idea to attach a brake caliper spacer on your rear brake to ensure the pads stay in place. To remove, simply shift to the smallest cog, then remove the rear through axle and lift the bike off of the trainer. Then line up the wheel with the cassette. Install your through axle and you're back and ready to roll.